You ever like want to cook something? Like you had your mind set on what you're going to make, and then you open your cupboard or you open your refrigerator and you find that you're missing some of the key ingredients that you know you want in this dish. Do you change your mind about what you're going to cook? Or do you just change your mind about how you had intended to cook it? Like me, I want pork tacos today. I have a nice pork tenderloin in the refrigerator. Like I had my mind set on pork tacos all day today, and now it's time to make those pork tacos. But unfortunately, I used up all of my cilantro. And in my mind, I can't have tacos without cilantro or without rice. But guess what? I'm gonna do it anyway. So today we're gonna make some pork tacos without all the right ingredients and see what happens. Do you use seasoning packets in a hurry when you want to make tacos? Whether you do or you don't, I don't. All right, so I was reading the ingredients. Corn syrup, salt. So we have salt. I got pink Himalayan salt. Garlic. I have garlic. I'm using some powdered garlic. Spice for spice. I'm using ground red pepper. Cornstarch. The cornstarch. That would be to like thicken up the water that you're gonna put in there at the end. So if you like the juices with the taco, a little bit of cornstarch is gonna help thicken that up. Sugar. I have cane sugar. Onions. I have onion powder as well. Citric acid. For my citric acid, I'm using lime juice. Soybean oil contains less than 2% of calcium silicate, which is used as an anti-caking agent. Potassium chloride. But I have all those ingredients here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make taco seasoning, like with my ingredients. So I'm trying to make these tacos, and I have very limited supply of goods right now and no time to go to the store, all right? But what I do have is a pork tenderloin. Yo, is that you, Saya? Yo, he just walked in and he came in with his girl, so they're gonna eat tacos with me, all right? So that's what's gonna happen next. Let's make these tacos. They're hungry. They're like, yo, Cisco, we've been talking off camera for a while. You've been promising tacos. I have not even seen you begin to make tacos. Is this real? So yes, Kayla, it is real. So I'm gonna take this pork tenderloin and we're gonna cut this thing up. And I wanna make sure that we all have enough taco cubes for the tacos. I want decent sized cubes. Let's go about a 1/2 inch. Is that okay? Is that okay?
Yeah, that's cool.
Season that up and see what these 20 grams of rub does for us, okay? Let's go ahead and stick it all in there. Rub it up really well. My olive oil, I have about 2 tablespoons of olive oil next to me here in this pan, getting nice and warm. Kayla, it's only 2:30 in the afternoon. You guys act like it's like 10 o'clock at night. Man, I couldn't tell. It's so cloudy and dark outside. Anyway, don't worry, we'll get tacos. It'll be okay, Kayla. I heard her stomach growl. Did you guys hear that? Leave it in the comments, okay? You can rewind back and see if you heard that growl. Am I tripping, or did Kayla's stomach growl? All right, so once that's all seasoned up, we're gonna go ahead and attack these veggies. Because Kayla is hungry. Don't worry. I mean, I keep blaming Kayla, but honestly, it was Saya. Like, in that last break, they admitted.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
The growl was Saya. 2 cloves of garlic, onion. Sorry I didn't have that peeled ahead of time. Easy peasy. Let's just chop it up, okay? That's it. No big deal. It's all gonna get cooked up with the meat. It's gonna give you some awesome flavors. You want this, okay? Garlic, onion. It's a 1/2 of a small onion. I'm gonna go ahead and take the whole thing, guys. Just chop that up as well. You guys like onions? Everybody okay back there? I forgot to ask. All right, Kayla says no problems here. Do we have any allergies back there, kid? I know Saya's good. Kayla, do you have any allergies? All right, good. All right, so we're gonna do some peppers. We need some color. Color's important, folks, especially since we are a lack of cilantro. Remember, we don't have all the things that Cisco wants to put in a taco. but Cisco really wants tacos, so we're just gonna make it happen. It reminds me of the days at the restaurant when you just have whatever you have left and everybody wants to eat something. You just throw something together that's amazing and delicious. Sound familiar, Saya?
Yeah, it sounds familiar.
All right, there we go. So we got our peppers. They're all chopped up. It's time, folks. Let me turn this back on. We're gonna go medium. We're gonna add these veggies inside here. We're gonna stir fry those and get the party started right. All right, gang, so I'm cooking this up. It's on medium. You hear the sizzle, no big deal, but they need seasoning. So make sure you salt your veggies, otherwise they're gonna be super bland. So it gets semi-transparent on the onions, okay? Don't get crazy because you still have to brown the meat. So get your meat in there and get it browned up as well, all right? Turn your flame up, meat's gonna be colder. All right, it's gonna be like a medium high now. Not super high. All right, so I had the lid on that. We went ahead and lowered it down. It's been in here for about a good, I don't know, we've been chatting for what, 6, 7 minutes or so? 4 minutes? All right, Si's watching. He said 4 minutes, because I'm hungry and you're taking too long. All right, cool. So, I lowered it on low. Meat's looking really good. Now, we did not add our acidity. All right, so we're gonna add that acidity that was in the original package of taco seasoning. So that's my lime juice. I added about, I don't know, tablespoon and a half. It's time for the tomato sauce. So I'm gonna do a half a can of that tomato sauce, all right? And then I'm gonna add a little bit of water. 3 ounces of water, okay? So we'll do that. We're gonna stir this up a little bit. We're gonna give it a taste here in a little bit after we let it simmer, let these flavors get together. Medium low, lid. We'll be back in 5 minutes. All right, kids, we're back. Our sauce has been bubbling. It's been 5, 6 minutes. 6? Hey, we did good. It's been 6 minutes. We moved it up to a medium. It's sizzling over here. Man, look at that. That sauce is looking proper, all right? These tacos are done. Make sure you're good, because if you're not, it's like now or never, folks. Oh my gosh. The tomato sauce, the acidity, the salt, the spices. Kids, it's time to heat up some tortillas, all right? So, I don't know how you heat up your tortillas. I'm old school. We use a stove in my world. Unfortunately, these burners on these new stoves have gotten so big now that they burn the hell out of your tortillas. Heck out of your tortillas. So, what I do is I use the back burner because it's not gonna burn my tortilla. It's a lot smaller. So I'm gonna lower that down to a medium low. I'm gonna stick my tortillas on there. Let's heat these bad boys up. It's time for tacos. Kayla, you ready for tacos? All right, Saya, you ready for tacos? I already know you're ready. You started off ready. All right, let's make Kayla some tacos. Let me grab a plate for her, and we're gonna put 2 tacos on a plate right now for Kayla. Warm the plate right there. Open that up. Put these guys over here. Don't forget about your tortillas. Yeah, get your nice little browning on there. Give them a flip. Give the second one a flip. Kayla is so familiar with this. She's like, why are you explaining tortillas on a stove? Because not everyone knows, Kayla. All right, Kayla's tortillas are almost done. That's the last flip. Boom. Bingo, bango. Now give her some meat and some veggies. You said you're good with the veggies, right, Kayla? Yeah. All right, let's do this then. Taco. Flip that around. Taco. Hey, are you guys cheese people?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you a cheese person? No? Yeah? Oh, the reason why I ask is I'm doing a survey right now on my stuff. Hey, if you're watching right now, I'm curious, what is the best holiday cheese? Best holiday cheese. Leave me a comment. Hashtag best holiday cheese, because I need to know. It's very important. I will do a live show on Thursday, November 16th, 6 p.m. Ring the bell, subscribe so you can tune in. Best holiday cheese revealed Thursday, November 16th. All right, so stand your tacos up so they don't look sloppy, okay? Lay them side by side. Kayla's like, she said, yeah, I heard you were a chef. This better be good. You like sauce? Yeah. A little spicy, okay? All right, a little bit of Lena's secret sauce. Bingo, bango. Here we go. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you share. Tell everybody about Chef Cisco. Ah, look at those tacos. Beautiful. Kayla, does that look okay? All right. All right, Kayla's gonna give us a taste. Oh man, look at boss. She's thinking. What do you think, Kayla? Now you know.
It's good, I like it.
All right, look, it's time for me to try a taco because personally, I don't know if it's any good. Kayla wasn't very convincing.
It was really good.
Oh, that's different, man.
Wait, you haven't took a bite?
I'm taking a bite now. Oh, shoot. Kayla. Well, you know what?
Yeah, man, I wanted a better reaction.
I did, but you know what? It's okay because to each his own. Like, I find it to be darn good. And this was, the thing about it is, you have to understand, I only wanted to use the taco packet seasoning. So it's not as good as like what I would have made my tacos because I don't use taco packets. But I just wanted to see if I try to mimic a taco packet seasoning in some way by just using their ingredients. Like, it was hard for me not to use some ingredients I really wanted to use. But I did. And it's really good. So you taco packet people, hey, if that's the way you want to live, live. I'm just going to do it my way. Thanks for watching.